Definitely, we have decreased our inventory levels with approximately 18 millions over the past 2 years. So my name is Frederik. I've been in Gubi for 6 years now. My role in Gubi is now warehouse lead, but also ERP lead. Gubi is a distributor of like, we don't own anything. Everything is outsourced. Yeah, so before Do and before ForgeFlow, our day-to-day business was more manual. So yeah, since we started working with ForgeFlow, we have got a lot of advantages. Like we have automated our whole order flow system. We have automated our whole way of configuring our products. We have also over the years implemented a lot of different things, EDI, stock planning, which have helped us. We have reduced our inventory significantly. Yes, of course, it's an advantage to have all data in one system, like where we can gather everything, so everyone knows where to go to find it, where to share it. It's definitely an automated process, so we don't have to have our hands on all orders. Yeah, so before the EDI implementation, we were communicating by PDF files to our partners, and the outcome could sometimes be that we got wrong data back to our, and therefore a lot of manual actions was required to fix it. Yeah, so now we share orders on XML files. We also get order responses back, which is also our security of knowing that they have acknowledged the order. And then lately we implemented a EDI setup for a freight partner that is also scalable to go to other freight partners. So when our warehouse in Denmark has prepared some goods, we share a file with the freight partner, and they pick up the goods in our warehouse and ship to our clients within Europe. ESG is of course important for Gubi because if we talk about composition to a product, we need to know what do our different products contain. But also now where EU are putting a lot of regulations on EU companies, we need to follow those. And this is where ESG will become a huge benefit for us with the implementation we are about to make. So ForgeFlow help us in that sense that they are building this ESG setup based on our needs. So people need to know where to look for them, in which folders we have outside of Do. Now having it all in Do, everyone can see it from the product. And again, back to because the time savings, efficiency will become a big benefit for us. So before DDMRP, we kind of guessed what should our safety stock be, what should our wear plan be, and so on. It was based on manual inputs, and it was based on when we did the update. So if we didn't update it weekly or monthly, then we could have old or wrong data to match. Yeah, so there has been a lot of upgrades here from what I just mentioned. So we are analyzing our past 52 weeks of sales, but we also consider in our future forecasting future sales if they are within delivery time on each product. Then we have a lot of multipliers or factors such as seasonality, and then we are using some external factors that my colleague is updating manually on. And then we have the whole inventory management where we have the stock buffers, as they are called, and these are now updated every week with the most recent data we have. So we are better in being proactive and reacting to changes in our forecast. And that is the main benefit of this. I would definitely recommend ForgeFlow to other businesses because again, their professionalism, they have a dedicated team and they are helping on the customer's needs. I would definitely say that ForgeFlow, I also said before, play a big role in Gubi's future. And for this, ForgeFlow is of course a big partner and will help with this.